Hey you, yes you, see all these wonderful people right here? They are my Patreons. With the support I get from them, I can afford to do my passion as a career and bring you guys weekly videos. Want to join them? For just $1 a month, you can get videos 24 hours before anyone else. And for even higher tiers, you can get Polaroids, letters, and mystery boxes from me to you. And even fursuit parts, not to mention my eternal thanks. So what are you waiting for? Become a Patreon today via the link in the description. Thanks again, enjoy the video.
Hey everybody, and welcome to a brand new series called In the Workshop. This series is going to be a fortnightly little series to give you an update on what I've been doing in my fursuit workshop and what's kind of been happening, any updates, any news as well. And also as a special feature, we're going to be doing comment of the week, question of the week, and most importantly, hate comment of the week, so I can react to them and hopefully we'll get a good laugh out of it too. So since they're going to be bi-weekly, I'll be covering what happened in the previous 2 weeks from filming. So the last 2 weeks have been mainly for me working on my kimono suit pillow, which you guys seem to absolutely love. So thank you so much for all of your comments and likes and views on that video. I really appreciate it. This week was mainly working on pillow and getting her done. I was down in Brisbane doing some movie extra work, so that kind of put a bit of a damper on my progress on her, but I did her bodysuit when I got back, and isn't she just stunning? I'm really proud of her. Next time I just want to get those seams a little bit neater. I can still see some of the seams and that's not excellent, so I want to make sure that I tuck my fur in my seams and maybe clean up the inside just a little bit more next time. But you know, this series is also going to be about where I can improve as a maker, my own criticisms, kind of like a captain's log, you know? The comment of the week this week comes from Guinea Pig Girl, who says, this is on my kimono bunny video, it says, "Whoever has this suit is the luckiest person ever. I have a complaint about the prices."
Or you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
You don't charge nearly enough for the quality. Right, gotcha, thank you. Great work as always. Thank you. You had me in the first part. You had me. I won't lie. Now, you guys would have probably seen we did a 24-hour live stream. We were raising money for Transcend, a transgender charity that focuses on working with transgender kids and their parents. And we raised altogether $6,500 around about, and $2,200 of that went to our friend's top surgery, and the other $4,300 went to Transcend. It was an absolutely incredible effort for everybody involved, so thank you to everybody who was involved, and thank you to you guys if you came and watched and donated. You guys are the real MVPs, and we couldn't have done it without you. During that live stream, we made a collaboration mini partial. I did the tail. I used Remy Wild Dogs Works patent to make these paws, and I also did the head base cast. It's an expanding foam base, and that will be finished up later this week because we didn't quite get it done. During the live stream, we did get very sick. I don't know if you saw the Bobbing for Anything But Apples video, but I suspect there was something nasty in that water, as me and Remy got very sick. But it doesn't matter, we got there to the end of the stream, and everything was good. Also on that live stream, I did some updates on T, just suit I'm working on at the moment for a trade with my sticker artist Repta friend. If you haven't seen their stuff, please go check them out. They're amazing. I'm still pretty tired and buggered from the whole thing, but you know, we're gonna get back on it. And now we move on to hate comment of the week. Dun dun dun. This is on the video with a thumbnail that reads, "Why is a furry serving me food?" And this is from I Hate Furries a Lot, original. No thanks, I'd rather starve. Well, I don't know what I expected from something that looks like a butthurt teenager with a jug on his head. So I don't know what, I mean, that image just about sums up that comment, to be honest. Having a whinge. He's been hidden and he won't show up ever again, so thank God. But that was hate comment of the week. And the reason why I'm in here and not in my workshop as I probably should be is because Australia is currently going, well, Queensland at least, is currently going through a heat wave. It means that my workspace is very hot right now. It's like Satan's armpit. It's not excellent. So I'm going to be spending today and tomorrow, instead of doing fursuit work, I'll be mass editing and uploading videos. You guys don't get to see them till their usual weekly releases, but it means that they'll be there and they'll be ready to go. So keep an eye out soon for an Angel Dragon tutorial. And now we move on to question of the week. Now, with this kimono fursuit out and about, I've been getting this question a lot, so I want to address it right here, right now. So this is from E7 Orange Forever, and they say, it's so cute. Also, you have a video tutorial on this, right? Just want to know. From your curious Skywolf, Sunny D. Well, I don't have a tutorial on this style, and that is for several reasons. I'm going to do a video on this in depth, but quite simply is because I'm the only maker in my country who offers this style. Well, actually no, incorrect. There's another maker who offers this in this style, but I haven't seen them make any more of that style, and that's NazFX. I kind of want to stay that way for a little bit. I do run a business, and it's a business decision. I share a lot of my content and a lot of my techniques with you guys already, and I kind of want to keep some things a secret, because then it means that I have more business, and I get more income, and it means I get to further my style and create newer things that are mine. At some point in the future though, there will be a full kimono series, but that probably won't be for a year or two yet. So sorry about that, but it's just a business decision that I have to make for myself. And besides, PSA, makers don't owe you tutorials or any information about their technique or style. Just saying, we don't owe you it. If they give it to you, it's at the kindness of their hearts. So thank the makers that do, and be respectful when they don't want to share it. Also, I'm currently running a Christmas event where you guys can help me decorate my Christmas tree. I want it to be full of lovely things from you guys so I can see it and be like, ah yes, these people, I appreciate them immensely. There's a video here, I'm assuming it pops up, or here, one of the corners, about that. And really the only other thing that I've been doing these past 2 weeks is working on a secret suit, and that will happen soon. Alrighty, hope you guys enjoyed the first episode of The Workshop. And what do you guys think? Are you keen for the next one? It'll be coming out not next Wednesday, but the Wednesday afterwards. So it'll be every second Wednesday I'll be releasing one of these. So let me know what you think. Are you keen for the next one? Is it awful? Was it boring? Let me know, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. Goodbye now.